Hi, my name is Andrew, and today is Thanksgiving. Guys, the reason I made this video because I want to tell you I'm thankful for you guys, my viewers, for watching my videos. Tell me down below what you're thankful for. So guys, don't worry, we have a lot more stuff planned, and it will be spring sooner than you know it. And we'll be back making a lot of videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great time on Thanksgiving Day and have a lot of fun with your family on every single holiday. Happy Thanksgiving! I got the turkey leg. Yum, yum, yum.